let's go camping. Sun setting just over there. Mid view. Ew. How good is this? Just trying to find my little secret spot along the track. Oop, and this is it, this is it. It's not. No, it's not. But just look at this. Then you have to come back in and see my dirty windscreen. But just look at that. Sunset. Ew, that is a mint. There you go. Andy having some secret spots, yeah. Alright, so obviously this is just access to a beach. But we're gonna find my little secret spot. Oh, that doesn't make you happy. I don't know what will. I love this car. Alright, we're here at my little secret spot. Just how good is this? Oh, yeah, boy. Han, you ready? Watch this. Hey, popping to camp down by the beach. Nice little spot. Hear the water. Just got the back open. Got the fridge. Spare tires out in the swing. Swag on the roof. I'm gonna walk out of the light here. And you'll be able to see, I don't know how well the GoPro's gonna pick it up, but that's the moon, it's just rising. I'm Batman. It's 2:42 in the morning, Sean.
Yeah, it's 2:30 in the morning. Look at it.
Look, Sean, can you see me now?
Yeah, I've seen you for ages.
I have ya?
Wherever I stop is where I'm sleeping.
There's a chair behind my car. There's a chair behind my car. Yeah. Alright, there you go. Sean! I can hear me on the road. You ever heard of satellite feedback? So what are you doing, Sean? At 3 o'clock in the morning. Spilt Doritos all on the back of his car. Oh, good. And good morning. Yet another day on this beautiful earth. Got a camp here behind us. Sean's still asleep. And we got the beach. Yo. That's actually a little bird down here. I don't know how well you can pick it up, but I can feel it. Oh, beautiful morning. Stop loving this car? Yes? When? Alright, just look at this.
People said Forester would never live. They were wrong. 333,000 Ks under the belt. Still good.
And that concludes our lovely episode for the week. Look at this water. Alright. Bye.